or the solutions of the equation. Similarly, if we talk of cubic polynomials, the standard form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So clearly you can see that the highest power of x is 3. So degree of the polynomial is 3. Let us take a simple example, like for example x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. We want to find the zeros of the polynomial. So we will put the cubic polynomial equal to 0. So clearly we can put the identity a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b equal to 0. This forms an identity a plus b whole cube equal to 0. We know how to factorize the cubic polynomial, so we can write it 3 times x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1 equal to 0. So clearly we'll get 3 values of x. X is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1. So clearly we can see that the cubic polynomial whose standard form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, degree is 3. The number of zeros are also 3. That means we have got 3 values of x. And there is a clear relationship when we will draw the graph of the cubic polynomial. You will find that it will intersect the x-axis at 3 points. And if it is more than 3, like more than cubic polynomial, it is also known as biquadratic polynomial. In that case, it will cut the x-axis at 4 points. One more thing that you should remember, that the graph of the quadratic polynomial is always a parabolic curve. You will study about this parabolic curve in detail. There can be 4 types of parabolas: right hand side, left hand side, upward as well as downward. But here you will only be concerned by the times, by how many times will the curve cuts the x-axis. That will give you the number of zeros, or just by seeing the graph you can easily tell whether it is a quadratic, linear or cubic polynomial. Like for example, we can take 1 or 2 examples. For example, say if this is your graph, x or y axis, so how many zeros of px? The line is not cutting the x-axis, so it will have no zeros. It will not have any zeros, or you can write that